tall is a bear? Oh, the bridge, the bridge, the bridge, the bridge. Bears don't play baseball. Hey, boo-boo. Now, Smokey Bear, he tells you that you're the only one that can prevent forest fires. But it's not true, because he's telling a worldwide audience, so we're all the only one that can prevent forest fires. It doesn't make any sense, Smokey. Get your act together. You are now called Fiery the Bear, because you're fired. Where there's Smokey, there's firing. You're done. I almost died from sleep right there. We're going a whopping 25 miles per hour. The bridge, 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 the bridge, the bridge, the bridge, the bridge, the bridge, the bridge. Now, a polar bear is supposed to be one of the most ferocious. Obviously, because he's hungry. You don't see a Denny's out there, do you? The Care Bears was something I watched growing up. What a weird idea that was. Get a bunch of stuffed animals together and they shoot light of different colors out of their chests. Everybody just shoot your light beam out your chest right away at the start. We don't need to go through this whole plot first. Yeah, the Care Bears were interesting. As a kid, they were great. As an adult, they are suspicious. There was also Goldilocks in the Three Bears, of course. You just wanted Goldilocks to get out of there before she got ate up by a bear. Instead, she's taking naps and eating porridge and moving chairs around. The most accurate bear in cartoon history is Yogi the Bear. The Bernstein Bears. Paddington Bear. Some kind of bear that got adopted by humans, if I remember right. But what type of bear is best? If bears got a human brain tomorrow and decided to enter the workforce, what job would they do?